Have you ever wondered what the biggest volcano in our solar system is? Or even more interesting, what caused that volcano to be created? Well, if you said yes to any of those questions, you're in the right place. Welcome to Orion, and today we'll be discussing Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. Olympus Mons, standing at around 25 kilometers high, is by far larger than any mountain on Earth. It is 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and it is as wide as France. In terms of volcanoes, if we compare it with Mauna Loa, Olympus Mons has 100 times the volume of Mauna Loa has. Olympus Mons could fit all of Hawaii inside of it. Mars doesn't have a sea, but scientists call like a sea level of Mars the aeroid. In terms of being above the aeroid, which is quite high, Olympus Mons is 25 kilometers above. Olympus Mons looks very broad from on top of it. It's very flat, almost as if it's a mount. This broadness results in it being a shield volcano, which means it spews out less lava, but for longer, instead of more lava, but for quicker. Olympus Mons is actually considered to be a young volcano, and the reason scientists consider it young because of a lack of meteor craters on it. Speaking of craters, the caldera inside of Olympus Mons is actually 6 volcanoes combined, with Olympus Mons forming on top of them. Olympus Mons might actually erupt soon because of it being relatively young, so the rovers on Mars better watch out. Now, Olympus Mons was formed because of 2 reasons. Firstly, Mars' tectonic plates are very limited in the way they move, so they just stack lava on top of each other. And secondly, it's pushed against each other a lot, which also causes it to rise. And here's a fun fact. Mars has a lot of volcanoes, and one of the volcanoes on Mars is about 2.4 billion years old. Now, speaking of volcanoes, in the future, we'll be able to climb Olympus Mons because companies are trying to make a VR headset where you'll be able to climb it. In 2042, they're going to take hikers to Olympus Mons to actually hike it up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content coming soon.